The Painter's Secret. In a small village in France, there lived an elderly painter named Alberto, renowned for the beauty of his artwork and his notorious stinginess. Despite his wealth, he lived a simple life in his small house. Alberto painted magnificent paintings and sold them at high prices for their beauty. One day, a poor young man named Leon visited him and said, "Alberto, you earn a lot of money from your artwork. Why don't you help the poor in the village? Look at the butcher, Mark. Despite not being wealthy, he distributes free meat to them." Alberto didn't reply to Leon, but smiled calmly. Leon left, and the rumor spread that Alberto was stingy, and the villagers began to criticize him and consider him a selfish person who didn't care about others. But what no one knew was that Alberto was secretly helping the poor. He paid Mark a monthly amount to buy free meat for the poor. He also paid Leon a monthly amount to pay his rent. After a while, Alberto fell ill and died alone in his house. No one from the village visited him, and no one sympathized with him. He left behind magnificent works of art, but he didn't leave a good impression on people's hearts. After Alberto's death, Leon and Mark discovered that Alberto had been secretly helping the poor. They felt remorse for judging him. They decided to tell the villagers about Alberto's true nature. Lessons learned. Don't judge a book by its cover. Stinginess is not always what it seems. The real impact comes from good deeds. Conclusion. The story teaches us not to judge others by their appearance, and that stinginess is not always what it seems. We should learn from our mistakes and try to understand others better.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.